16th, Sunday, 2020. 2020. Where'd he go? There. Wait. Oh, where? One of these guys. Those are all buzzards. Oh, there he is over there. Bald eagle. He's getting away. I don't know if I'm going to get a shot of him. Come on back around. Come on back around. Come on. There he is. And he's going that way. Anyways, that's a bald eagle. A few buzzards around too, but I don't think you're going to be able to see it. I can see his white head and tail. He landed on the neighbor's house right over there, right? Can't see it from here. Well, just under that power line there, but anyways, yeah, bald eagle. It's about 9:45, I guess, almost 10 o'clock. Again, Sunday morning. And I started a few air layers over here about 4 days ago. I put some water on them today, so they're kind of wet now. And this is the Sinicus. I got two on the Giganteus over here, trying to get some cuttings going. I cut some and I put them in water down here in the bottom of the bucket, and I was trying to get them to go. And they didn't do so good. They all turned brown. And they lasted quite a few days, but they all turned brown and kind of didn't do good. So I'm going to try with the air layering thing, and I put a little bit of nice dirt around there, and I wrapped it with this 4-inch packing tape, you know, the wrap tape that the wrap packages with. So I put some of that on there. I've used that before. And these will dry out kind of quick. You got to keep them, actually that needs a little bit of shade on there too, because that can get kind of cooking hot in there. I had a leaf hanging on there, but I guess it fell off. So trying to get some air layers going, because I don't have a lot of shoots coming. That's some hickory king corn right there. I planted a few of those around. Don't have any new shoots coming up, but I got a lot of branches growing. Check out that branch action there. And of course the tops, they got branches. All these are branches on this thing. I mean, some of these branches are over a foot long. So that's what I'm figuring. Hopefully this thing's got enough energy in it to push out. See, look at all these branches over here. Hopefully it's going to have enough energy to put some shoots out of there. But we'll see. There's another hickory king corn down there. There's a couple of them there. There's one. There's one. Here's one in a smaller pot. That's got a pretty new shoot, fairly young shoot. I don't know, maybe not, it might be a month old or so. It's got a little bit of wear on the leaves there. And it's been warm, and we haven't had any rain. We had some rain. We haven't had any rain in about a week or so. Had a couple drops last night, but not really enough to do anything. It's been humid. We've had a few foggy days, but they've been eating up a lot of water. Oh, look, I got a wild tomato growing in there. I have had a few tomatoes growing in these. Bamboo makes a wonderful companion plant. There's a little avocado coming up right there. Right there. Mo, what are you doing out here? All my dogs are out running around. Peanut, where'd she go? Here, check out these tomatoes down here. Usually these things don't produce anything, you know, the volunteers that you get, but this one's kind of loaded. If I look around over here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more little bunches of tomatoes. Look at that. And I've had a few of those already that the possums and raccoons didn't get, and they're pretty good. I mean, they're not like, you know, the heirloom tomatoes that I grow, but they were decent. They weren't all mealy and, you know, really junky. Oh, there's a couple more down in there. This thing had an exposed root for a long time. This plant's been in here a long time, and then I finally covered the root up with some mulch, and that's when it started making all these tomatoes. So that's kind of good, I guess. Oh, wait a minute, look. Oh my God, I didn't notice that. Holy cow, that's a brand new shoot right there. I didn't even see that thing come up. Wait a minute, let me check these other ones out here. And I've been keeping an eye on these. Yeah, that one kind of snuck up on me. Look, it's already as big as my thumb almost. Really bad contrast on this shot here. See if I can clean this up a little bit. No. Anyways, yeah, look at that. That thing's like a foot tall already. So yeah, all this warm weather has been, yeah, I didn't even see that. Now I gotta look at all these and see, because if one goes, they should all start going. I don't see any more anywhere. Oh, wait, there's one. There's one right there. That's brand new. It's about 6 inches tall. So, yeah, that's a Dries too. Giganteus has got nothing in there. Sometimes if you dig around, you can... Oh, wait, what's that? No, it's a piece of... Are you helping today, Peanut? You're a good helper, huh? She's always got to check out everything. Don't try eating nothing out of there. So cool. We do got a couple new shoots. I didn't even see them. Didn't even notice them under there. Amazing. Look how pretty that is. So new shoot on that one. New shoot on that one. That's been there for 3-4 days at least. Maybe a week. I didn't even see it. Oh, there's a little bunch of tomatoes there, but look at the holes in that. Some little worm got up there and drilled them. And there's a, actually that's an avocado tree coming out of there. The avocado growing there. There's a piece of the nut sticking out. Well, there's a little shoot on that one. That's a long internode. So yeah, we do got some shoots coming mid-February. Let me go check a couple other things here. Alright, these are my purple bamboos. And from seed that I got on eBay, and amazingly they grew, and they don't really get purple, not like the Photoshop pictures you see. Looking down here for some shoots, I don't see anything. Oh, this thing over here. Those little bulb things that I found, I haven't figured out. They're a flower. It's like a daffodil or an orchid or some kind of flower, I'm pretty sure. Everybody says they look like daffodils, and I think that's what they might be. But anyways, let's go look for some more shoots here. I don't see any coming up around here. And, uh-oh, wait, what's this? Anything coming out of there? No, that's a pretty new one. That one's not that old. Got a little wear on it. Oh, there's a new one. That's pretty new. Look at that one. A couple 3-gallon pots I put over here so they have a little more sun in the afternoon. And see my 22-foot transplant that I put in. Oh, it's a monster. Look at that thing. I put mulch in around there, but it's not sprouting anything yet either, so. Oh, I got something exciting. Hang on. The dog escaped, but shout out to Duck Guide. I will, hang on. About my sugar cane. I got these at Walmart the other day for 96 cents a piece. I got 2 of them. Uh-oh, wait. Oh, I thought there was a root on there. It's not. So I got to cut these up. I got them sitting in here in my little worm bin. And now I got to go find my dog. But did get some real sugar cane. Gonna try to get those going. Shout out to Duck Guide. Haven't heard from you in a little while. Guess you're snowed in. Cut.